Hey guys, it's me, Joey Salads, and today I'm going to prepare a delicious meal.
Hi guys, I'm hungry.
What do you think of that? Okay, so I got pumpkin pie right here. You can't look. You can't look.
What is that?
What does it fuck? It looks. It's pumpkin pie.
Yum. It looks great.
I'm gonna make it my secret recipe. You can't look at it. Blindfold. Put your hands over your eyes or something. Okay, motherfucker. Making some nice, delicious shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, God, yeah. Oh, delicious. Just like that. Okay. Some of these. Bon appetit.
What the hell is that?
Eat it. It's apple pie.
Looks like Shrek took a shit on a platter.
Look at that shit. It looks good. I made homemade pumpkin pie, and you guys are gonna eat it, are you? It has gum, leaves, grass, anything you want on your pumpkin pie. See, it's a perfect delight. See, I'll eat this shit. It's good. It's good. Trust me. Eat it. Eat up.
You know what? I'm not that hungry.
It's Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving? I'm not thankful.
You know what? Thanksgiving, you're not thankful. I am done with you, okay? I made that food for you. I made that. It was delicious.
Sorry.
Look at this Gabe cleaning up his damn mess I threw on the ground. That was made from nature. A beautiful delicacy made by God.
Dicks.
Shockwave sound.